How to create AI documents using Genspark AI. First, open your web browser and go to Genspark AI. Then, sign into your account or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, open AI Docs. Next, click Create Document or New Document, depending on the version you're using. Now enter a prompt describing the document you want to create. For example, type, "Create a professional business proposal for a digital marketing agency." You can also choose a ready-made template, such as a resume, report, business plan, essay, or cover letter if it's available. Now, click Generate. Genspark AI will automatically create a well-formatted document with headings, sections, and professional content. Once the document is ready, review it and make any changes you need. You can edit the text manually or ask the AI to rewrite, expand, or shorten specific sections. Finally, click Export and save your document as a docx, PDF, or another available format, or share it with others using the built-in sharing options. That's it. You've successfully created an AI document using Genspark AI.